What's up, everybody? In this video, what I have here is the Red Comet's outdoor camping adventure lamp. Check this thing out. I absolutely love this light. I have been using it. I put it back in the box for the purpose of this video. It does come in desert yellow or space gray. I have the space gray. You can see they checked it there. And let me just kind of go over a little bit of the specs for y'all real quick. The charging input is a 5 volt. It's a 2 amp charging, IP65. The max luminous on it is 450 luminous, and the battery capacity on this thing is a 3.6 volt 10,000 milliamp battery on this thing. How awesome is that? That is huge, actually. Max weight is 660 grams. So let me just go ahead and show you what it looks like here. Take it out of the package. This was packaged extremely well. You can see the unit itself. Very nicely presented package. Looking at it here, you got a little set of instructions, but you know what? I've already went over all the instructions. I have been using this, and I'm going to kind of show y'all real quick how it sets up here. You could see it's a little telescoping mount that goes up. So in this side you get a USB-C cable. This is a fast charging. Charging time I think is about 4 hours. And you see these things? That's actual tent stakes for staking it down to the ground. And this is the unit itself. Right here, it's not the easiest thing to get out, but that is a USB-C mount down in there. And this is the on and off. I fully charged it. You can see how it lights up like a little lantern. And check it out. That is a magnet. You see that? That's a magnet. This is a metal chair, and that is a magnet on the bottom. But the way this thing actually works is you do it like that right there. You would run these tent stakes down in the ground like this. So let me set it down here on the ground. Is run these down like that, and you see how it mounts down right there? That ain't going anywhere. And check this out, everybody. You lift it up. Is this awesome? You can roll it completely over, roll it over like that. Look how cool this thing is. And if you just want to go like that high with it, and there's different temperatures right here when you mash the buttons, you can see 1, 2, 3, and the 4 is off. This is one of the coolest camp lights I have ever seen, ever. And I've seen a lot of camp lights. So this is also a charge bank if you want to run out of there and run to an iPhone or Android or something like that. With a USB-C, you can run out right there. Let me go ahead and flip over to some nighttime because it's almost night. So we'll go ahead and see what it looks like at dark, and then see how bright this thing opens up everything out here, because I think you're going to like it. So let's do that now. Woo! All right, there it is, everybody. Check it out. This thing is awesome. Here it is nighttime. It just turned night, and I wanted to show y'all like what it looks like when it's at night here. There's the regular, just normal low mode, and then you hit it once more. It gets a little brighter. Once more again. Look how bright this thing is. You see how you can adjust it to shine out that way, or you could put it straight down, and then it lights a circle up all around it. And then if you just wanted it to be more like a lantern, check that out. It's just a lantern here on the ground, and it does have the magnetic base at the bottom. This thing is absolutely amazing. I've been using it already for about a month now, camping on all different occasions, and I love the fact how I can kind of rotate this and go straight up in the sky with it, or go that way, or go straight down with it. Highly recommend this little Red Comet light. This thing has been absolutely phenomenal on all different occasions. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Red Comet outdoor camping light. See you guys in the next video. Woo!